We divide 346 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down the 6 and it is 46. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 346 divided by 5 is 69.2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.